the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, as I'm saying, I can't teach at a whole unicorn, new tricks. Building with documents. Come on, the Observer. Crucial documents, high profile cases, including people like Vybz, Barabbas, and Tesha Miller, totally destroyed by fire last Thursday. And I know this I make news. A big old fire. You can't tell me all them things are by design, you know. So this happened last Thursday and it just make news now. Who said hold off till... Well, I've not listened. Who said hold off, don't put this out till such date? You can have big fire in a big lie offices with big cases from last week. And I know this a drop in our papers. And again, take them to the grain of salt. I'm just a look at YouTube and a conspiracy TV stuff. Right. You pay me no mind. He goes on to mention, say, fire units from Rollington Town and Trench Town and all kind of units respond. Things burn up. In a them day and age, fire burning up paper shouldn't be an excuse. Although enough business and even government offices in Ireland, you'd be surprised you're going there to do some kind of, transaction, or you go to get some kind of document. When you look at somebody, I open up one big document with big paper and folder, and you see them a check. Them have a 100 folder in front of them and they look through one and then look through one, and you say, in a them time your people still use folder and documents and name. No wonder it's so easy if everything get lost and forged and burned up and dash way. In the age when you can go up on Google Play and them sitting there, App Store and them sitting there. Right. Everybody have all kind of document and information storing apps and places in Ireland still have bare paperwork. That's by design, by the way. Right, it's by design. If them streamline certain things, then enough people can't eat our food. Because one of the ways where you can eat certain food is that a man can go in at something, take out a piece of paper, rub off something, or just print something and make a copy of it. But if certain things, setting a system where anybody can have access to the system. So for example, you just type in this number and bring up this, then take a harder for certain things go on. So when you see certain government offices in Ireland still using archaic systems, it's because it helps them carry out whichever scheme and plots them are run. Right, so if anything go on, alright, quickly grab that file, burn it up, dash it away. Something well logged somewhere. Every time you go in, you can see who log going out and who change it. So when you see certain things not change, the Ironman is by design. But surely that wouldn't apply to these big fancy lawyer offices. Surely they wouldn't have all their files and just on paper. Even though we know so unicorn means. That's stunt. Theatrics, Hollywood thing. Most of them people here run them own program and benefit from running them own program. Them people sabotage them own case and then benefit from sabotaging the case. Them people here tamper with them own trial and then play victim afterwards. Anyway, it states the Jamaica Observer learned that last week lawyers representing Adija Barabbas Palmer were planning to file a habeas corpus application to have him released from prison. Right, they said a link Icebreak Backerman. Right, and Mr. Backerman said, and this is Observer's word now. Them say after them link Backerman, he was dodgy and they recommend that whoever gave wind of the plan should explain the plan. Then the man said by Monday, which is yesterday, the day before the Observer dropped the story, Backerman confirmed to them file habeas corpus. What will take place on May 29th and 30th. Goes on to state, Mr. Backerman, who upped recently in an office in the building that was destroyed last week, said the application was made because of the problems and defense and Harsted and Kofat. Tesha Miller, document in there too. Now you already know Sheep Nation are going to use this as another example of. A matter of fact, there is a unicorn witness to this fire. Yes, somebody from Sheep Nation witnessed the entire thing. Eyewitness report, unicorn witness. Me gonna make him tell you no I'm going under fire, yeah. Mr. Witness, stage is yours.
Yeah, the mic will work? Alright, watch out. First thing, my general, that's how make you know say we are not informer, see? We are not informer, but I tell you what I see because you don't know say, right? The man there, I'm a general, so because I'm a general in a count as informing, so I tell you what I see. But remember say man is an informer, I say I'm informer for that. Thursday in the evening, I just do a robbery. Because I say I want to touch a party and I want some shoes and don't know if I buy the NSA. And I say, oh, can't bother go work here, man. I'm going to tell them about work on one side. But I don't have time for them, so nothing. So I go I go up on a robbery and I see a girl now fit and I take it from a robber, take her purse and everything. So by the time the robbery done know, I left on a gone yard. I saw Thursday evening, so I was on my way to Sunday school. And I say, if you don't know, I was a real authentic Jamaican. I love God more than everybody else. So after the robbery, I said I need to cleanse my soul. So Thursday evening, while on my way to Sunday school, I see two people near the lawyer office of Bunda. One of them have a big tin. It look like kerosene or gas oil. I don't know if a tin about something like it. And the next one have a matches. One of them have a space between them teeth. It's a woman. The next one, I see him have two unicorns on a leash. No, man is not informer, you know. Man is not informer, because informer for death. But I just make you know, say, what two people do it. One of them have a space between her teeth and the next youth. That one there is a man, he have some unicorn on a leash. No, I not call the name. I say, because man is not informer. I not call the name. I never tell nobody say Mrs. Serpy burn it down. I'm not tell nobody say I follow in the matches. I not call the name because I'm an informer. See me I say my general. The same time I see the one of the unicorns throw like liquid substance on the building and I say, yo, what you do? So I say, you want to burn on the building because the building have where the evidence say general, my Lord and Savior, by Bakra, innocent. So I say, yo, you can't do that. You try to sink the man. You bad by the man for Benz, S-Class Benz, see, and the boy tell me to suck more. So do to a Sunday school, I go, get my Bible. Some just rest on my Bible and pick up my rifle. And go, and be something off my boy dog. But by the time they're too late, because the woman now has the space in her teeth, she don't like the fire dog. But I'm sorry, so I never come earlier. If me come earlier, then make me that stop it before it happen dog, and in the general, it's free. But she them burn down the building now. Look on all Tesha and them man there. Another innocent get a youth. Me say, boss say, if I want done if I not him a Tesha Miller. And then no, coincidentally, the same building with Tesha and the boss documents that just burn down. You see them thing there's a plan, bro. It's a plan, dog. Me I tell you say, the boy Serpy, you know the call name, the boy Serpy. Me I say, him and Parallel and them I run the operation, them I run the system, dog. For how long? Tesha Milan me done Vybz Kartel. At a whole long the innocent get a youth them dog. To them see say man by the Benz. And that all this a come from the Benz because you know say there. And then the general go buy the Benz. Me say boy Serpy walk in. And I tell the people them boy, you want the same Benz and they take off 2 million after the price. Say people tell you go suck your mama. Right? In Bex. Next thing you look him see general walk in and pay for that cash from the spot. Not even with DJ money. Right, street buys money dog by that way. I say, at them, yo, they say vibes are come from dog. Boy, they can stop them mama. Gaza for life.
Well, for one group of people who know we can take serious and have confidence in them, is Sheep Nation. So if him say so, that's how he go. Who am I to question? This right here, so. Smoke screen, smoking mirrors. Get it? Smoke. Fire. Even backer man them. You think say the system right, go burn up documents for Sink Barabbas. Right? And that happened from last week Thursday and the place so quiet. The fact that only come out now should I make you know say things are not as it seems now. I'm telling you, certain things is by design and there's greater force. How that they fire they can go on Thursday and that make news? No. The day after, them said them are going to send in this to get released from. And then now it come out. It's all legal stunts and theatrics. I remember Tesha Miller appeal come up too. That go spooky too. So this is not even just Barba's case, Tesha them case, who knows who for case down there. Something is at work here, so. But we have to just watch how it unfold. That's how we can do. Sit back and watch how it unfold. Alright man. No problem man. It's never a dull day. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, see you circling. Bless.